Ministers of Assam and Meghalaya, Himanta Biswa Sarma and Conrad Sangma, have initiated confidence-building measures as the 6 areas of difference are complicated. According to Assam Chief Minister, only after the confidence-building measures, both the Chief Ministers can visit the border areas. The meeting between the 2 Chief Ministers is to resolve the border dispute in 6 areas, which include Langpi among others. The Chief Ministers did not want to make clear the decision to the question on retransfer of areas under Block 1 and 2. The Assam Chief Minister said survey post for Hahim border is ready and hoped that dispute in other areas will be resolved at the earliest.
We had a very positive discussion on the matter, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to slowly and steadily move towards a resolution and also ensure that there is peace in that area and the different misunderstandings that are coming once in a while. We hopeful that we'll be able to resolve those issues.
This area is a little bit complicated. So this regional committee, they are both headed by the matured people on both the side. They are working very hard. They are visiting those areas frequently. And we believe that everything will be settled in a most peaceful and amicable manner.
Chief Minister Conrad